All right, this is problem 517 in week number 8, review preview. So for each triangle below, write an equation relating the reference angle, the given acute angle, with the two side lengths of the right triangle. Then solve your equation. So here's my reference angle, and that would mean that I have been given the hypotenuse, and I want to find the opposite side length. And so the trig tool that has opposite and hypotenuse is sine. So my equation would be sine of 22 degrees equals the opposite over the hypotenuse. And this would be how I would solve it. So sine of 22, I have to plug that into a calculator, and it will tell me that my ratio is 0.37-ish, right? I had to round. And that equals x over 17. And in order to solve it, I need to multiply both sides by my denominator, because 17 divided by 17 cancels. So my answer is about 6.37-ish if you round it. All right, letter B. Letter B, if I use 49 degrees as my reference angle, 7 is my opposite side, x is my adjacent side. So the trig tool that uses opposite and adjacent is tangent. So my equation is tangent of 49 degrees equals opposite over adjacent, so 7 over x. So tangent of 49 degrees, I plug that into my calculator, and I get a ratio of 1.15. And remember, I hate when my variable's in the denominator, so you can flip both of these. So technically this is over 1, so I flip it, and then I flip it. And then that makes it really easy because all I have to do is multiply by my denominator. So 7 times 7 cancels. 7 times 1 divided by 1.15. So 7 times 1 is 7, divided by 1.15 is about 6.09. For letter C, this is my reference angle. So that would make this my adjacent side and this my hypotenuse. So the trig tool that uses adjacent and hypotenuse is cosine. So cosine of 60 degrees equals adjacent over hypotenuse. So using my calculator, I plug in cosine of 60, and that's 0.5, equals adjacent over hypotenuse. And in order to solve that, I multiply by my denominator on both sides. So 3 equals x.